In this video, we're talking about breathing volume and why breathing less improves oxygen delivery and nervous system regulation. It's a common assumption that breathing more means getting more oxygen, but that's not how human physiology works. Oxygen doesn't work all by itself. Carbon dioxide is an essential gas for regulating blood flow and for allowing oxygen to be released from the blood into the tissues. So when breathing volume increases unnecessarily, which commonly happens under stress, carbon dioxide levels fall. And when carbon dioxide levels are too low, oxygen binds more tightly to the haemoglobin, and that means oxygen is carried in the blood but released less effectively into the tissues where it's needed. At the same time, blood vessels tend to constrict and airways also narrow, so circulation becomes less efficient. So paradoxically, breathing more can actually result in less oxygen reaching the body. This is why overbreathing is closely linked with symptoms like anxiety, dizziness, fatigue, and a persistent sense of air hunger. When breathing volume is reduced and the breath becomes softer and quieter, carbon dioxide levels then rise toward a more normalized range. And as carbon dioxide normalizes, oxygen is released more easily from the haemoglobin, so the circulation improves, the airways open, and the nervous system receives fewer signals of danger and stress. So this isn't about holding the breath or forcing restriction, it's just about reducing unnecessary breathing so chemistry can rebalance in a stable and sustainable way. So by breathing more softly and reducing overall breathing volume, we can improve carbon dioxide tolerance, which supports oxygen delivery, calmer nervous system signaling, and greater physiological efficiency, greater health.